We'll start our class. We should be very clear about time management payroll because most of the calls you will be getting for time management and payroll. Rest all topic, if you know, is better. Definitely, org management and personal administration are the basic. You have to know if the master data is available for the employee, then only you can run the payroll and time management. Just wait for more 1 minute, then we'll start.
No, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with, okay. First, we will just finish the theoretical part. Then we will go ahead with the practical. So what is time management? So whatever you are seeing, like you are going to your office, 9 to 5 job you are doing. So that is, we have to maintain in system. Like what would be my work schedule? There would be two type of work schedule. One is planned. We have two type of work schedule. One is planned and actual. What is planned? How many working days in a week? How many working hours per day? Clock in, clock out, like punch in, punch out. These are maintaining 0007 info type. How many holidays in a year? So 0007 is the base info type of payroll and time management. What is actual? So when we update 2001, see there are few info types we have to maintain in time management. 2001 is absences, 2002 is attendances, 2005 is overtime we are not using at all right now. 2003 substitution, 2006 absence quota, 7 is a attendance quota, 12 is a time transfer. Like this is whatever the time event you are going to maintain, like clock in, clock out, that transfer you can do. 2013 is a quota correction, 2004 is availability, and 2011 is time events. What is 2001? In a company, we have sick leave, casual leave, maternity leave, etc. We maintain in 2001 info type. 2005 in current system not using. Okay. 2006 is any absence type has a specific validity and max limit for absence. Like 2001 and 2006 info types are interlinked. Like we in 2006 we have to create our leave balance, and in 2001 we can apply for leave. If there is a max limit for absence, then only create the quota. 2007 created for overtime approvals and training quotas. It is for overtime approval and training quotas. 2013 used to the value in 2006. It's nothing but if you want to, if like suppose in the month of April, you have your CL got transferred to your account 12. Okay, 12 CL transferred to your account. It is applicable to all employees. They will be getting their casual leave 12, but that will accrue every month. Then only you will be eligible to use that every month 1 CL. So suppose instead of 12, okay, system like transferred for you is 24. For other people, it is correct. Due to some error, you got 24 CL. Okay. So that time HR admin will go to 2013 and change it to 12 manually. Okay. For, for the value should reflect in 2006 properly. 2004, if employee takes the casual leave, 4 is availability. If employee takes the casual leave for a certain period, during this period, the company want to back the employee. Like suppose here you have to maintain that I would be available on call. I would come 5 days of leave I've taken, but last day I will come and I will be available for my work. So that will consider that you can maintain in 2004. What is 2011? It is a clock in, clock out, a punch in, punch out you are doing. 9 o'clock you enter, you did your punch in. And 6 o'clock you're coming out, you did your punch out. So that is clock in, clock out of the employee is maintained in this info type. 0050. What is that? Time recording information. Just to maintain in time records of employee. Punch in, punch out record we maintain through 0050. This is nothing but a terminal like the biometric. Okay, and you have an integration with your system and the vendor system. So every employee should have a biometric ID. That terminal details we enter in 0050. ID, punch in, punch out, like punch in P10, punch out P20, we have to maintain with the timing. So this is what time management. We will configure holiday calendar, daily work schedule, and period work schedule, break schedule. Then absences will create, absence quota we will create. Then we will run the time management. So these are the configuration we will do in time management. Let's understand what is holiday calendar. We need to create holiday calendar to the set of holidays of different personal area. We have a very common table as I told to you, B underscore 001 P underscore all is personal sub area grouping. B underscore 503 underscore all is employee subgroup grouping. In this table, what are the factors which we create personal area and sub area based on this? Okay. Grouping means set of holidays. Holidays are location and religion specific. Each column is one factor. Before creating the holiday calendar, we need to create set of holidays. So there are fixed holiday, movable holidays, fixed date from day. Like for example, every second Saturday is holiday. So that also we can create. So I'm just sharing my screen. What is the transaction code for holiday creation? SCAL. So what is this calendar? The calendar is not client specific. Each change takes effect directly in all clients. If you are maintaining so many clients into this SAP system, then whatever changes you are going to do, it will affect all clients, or else it should be calendar is not client specific. Like you are maintaining for particular client. That's why it is not client specific. And holiday calendar is a part of work schedule. Okay. Even we have a navigation path, we can go through that. Directly, we can use SCAL transaction code. It will read a direct screen. Or else we have to go to SPRO, implementation guide, time management, work schedule, define public holiday. Then we have to select the public holidays and change. we need not to do anything. Directly here, we have to select the public holiday and change. If X is assigned to holiday calendar, it means that this holiday is assigned already holiday calendar. If it is not there, it is not assigned to the holiday calendar. Sometime we just check after some time it will get reflect. When we will create, it will come blank. But after some time, you will get X is getting reflected. Use in holiday calendar. Okay. So in this table, we have to customizing the request is like whatever the details in holiday calendar we create, the customized request, what we have already seen that every record we have to create one transport request. But here manually we have to create. What was that? Here there is a transport request that tractor symbol will come when you will go to the real time. Okay, when you will see in a live server, transport request will come. Whatever the holidays you will create, that time it is mentioned also transport function only active within customizing client. Okay, you can transfer all your request number to the quality server or production server. Manually we have to do. Or else instead of that, if you don't want to do it, we have a workbench request which will be created by ABAPer, a technical person. Go back. Let's go to change. Select. We have to go to create. Select with fixed date. Okay. Then go to create. Suppose I want to create 01. Okay. That is and 01. January 1st is New Year. What is not guaranteed? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, not guaranteed. When it is going to fall, you are not sure about it. If you know that it is falling on Thursday, okay, but you want to move to previous day, move to next day. Like suppose Thursday it is falling and that is also a holiday, okay. Or due to some reason you have something some work or something, you want to move it to previous day or you want to move it to next after Thursday or Friday, okay, or move to next day. So you can select that. So if it is falling on Thursday, then it will move to next day, Friday or Wednesday. The same logic for move to previous day, next day after Friday and Saturday. Okay. The same for Sunday, if it is falling on first January is falling on Sunday, then the employee will get it on Saturday, the holiday, or next day to the Sunday, that is Monday. Even Saturday, Sunday, if it is falling, they have given some uh, options which you can move to previous day, move to next day after weekend, Saturday, Sunday, move from Saturday, Sunday to previous or next day, move to next day after Friday, Saturday. So this you can select. So we have to go. We are not sure that when it is falling. What is this short creation? That you're creating one group, one identification you're giving. Okay. And here, if it is Hindu or what, you have to select what kind of holiday it is. Public holiday class. What is this? We have 0, 1, 2, 3. Not a public holiday. It can be a working day. It can be a half day. It can be anything. Not a public holiday. Okay. Mostly we consider it a working day. One is ordinary public holiday. 1st of January is an ordinary public holiday. Half day holiday. Like for Christmas Eve, sometimes we give half day holiday. So we can create this. This is customer specific. Customer specific, customer requirement you will be getting from the client. And according to that, you have to create, if it is not falling under any fixed holiday or something, you can create some classes under customer specific, that is 3 to 9. Okay, they have 3 to 9. If you are creating anything, then that you can select under it. We'll go for ordinary public holiday. New Year 999. We'll give the identification so that we can select New Year Eve. We know that this New Year is going to fall on 1st of every January, right? Every year, 1st of January. So we have to create this. Go to create button. See here, transporting the holiday and factory calendar. This things we are doing it. Okay. Then go to create with a fixed day from date. We have create fixed date. Whose date you are sure that it is going to fall on that day only. With a fixed day from date. What is the meaning of? If I will click on Monday and I will give, suppose, let's take an example. Monday is 12. Okay, 19. Suppose 19. Okay, I want from Monday, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after 4, Saturday should be a holiday. Okay, so what I have to give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I will put 5th day, okay, 5 day and month, suppose 01. Okay, so it will fall on Saturday directly. From Monday, it will count. If you are giving Saturday after 5 days, then after 5 days, whatever it will come, it will. Otherwise, if you are giving Saturday, okay, and giving here 8, always you have to give 8, 15, 8 for first Saturday. Okay, it will consider from Saturday to next second Saturday. We are creating here second Saturday is a holiday. So Saturday, the first Saturday we have taken. Okay, first Saturday, suppose second, third, first Saturday we have taken. So after 8 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. After 8, like we want that on 8 itself, it should fall. So 10th would be the second Saturday. Then it will reflect that 10th is a holiday. Again, okay, you have to create one by one. Second Saturday or fourth Saturday. Fourth Saturday means 22. Here the day would be 22. For the 1st of January. You can change the month, that's fine. But every month you have to create this. Let's see. We have to go with the same one because it's a public holiday, ordinary public holiday. Every Saturday. Only Saturday 999 we will write. Will help. Second Saturday is holiday. Create. Okay, we have created. Now we have to create floating public holiday. This too is required for Easter and Easter Sunday. We'll create it. Floating, I should tell you. Suppose you are creating 2024. You have to create for all the years because you are not sure which date this holiday is going to fall. Like Sankranti. Suppose we are creating Sankranti. It is on month of 1st month of first, okay, and on 14 it on 14 it is falling on 2024. On 15 it is falling on 2025. Sorry, it is 25. Okay. Then guaranteed the same. If you want to enter, then you can. Then we have to go for Sankranti is the same ordinary public holiday. Sankranti 999. Sankranti 999. Okay. Okay, we have created. So we have created. We have to go for Easter Sunday. Okay, we have to give this 999. Religion, suppose Christian is there. Let's go for Catholic. Okay. One ordinary holiday, Easter Sunday. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just checking because sometimes, my headphone is not working. So I should know. Create. Okay. Public holiday first created. Again, we have to go for distance to Easter. Number of days, you have to maintain that we need not give the date. Just give before or after days to Easter, then system will give the date according to which we gave. Like if I will give here number of days after Easter. Okay, suppose it is falling on Easter is falling always on Sunday, but you want to give holiday to the employee. Then after 3 days, the employee can get if it is falling on 31st March. Okay. Then on Wednesday, employee can get the Easter holiday. So we'll go for the same old Catholic. This is for Christian, so that's why I'm keeping Easter 3 days. 3999. 3 days after or before, whatever you want, you can give as per your requirement, as per your client requirement. Easter 3 days after. Create. So we have created everything. Okay. We have to come back. Then we have to
Ma'am,
select one. Yes,
ma'am, what is the meaning of floating holidays?
floating. That is floating. Floating, what is the meaning of floating?
Yeah.
It is not constant, right? It can be changed.
Okay.
Like Diwali. Diwali is falling
Okay.
sometimes on October, sometimes on November, where you are not sure when it is going to fall. Independence Day, you can create to fixed holiday,
Fixed
right?
holiday.
Because we know that on 15th of August, every year it will come. But when you are not sure that when Diwali or Dasara is going to fall, that time you have to go ahead with this floating holidays.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have to create the calendar, right? We have just created the holidays, public holidays, but we have to create the calendar now. So we have to click on holiday calendar, change. Okay. Then create. What we will create? HH, holiday calendar 999. This is showing validity from here and validity from to here. This validity is for calendar validity. This validity for public holiday validity. Okay. Now we have to assign whatever the public holiday we have created. Right? Search your public holiday here. All this we have created. This is coming because 999 is coming here. So one by one, we have to select all, assign public holiday. Okay, if you want to delete any public holiday, you can. So it is showing 1900, this holiday is valid from this to this. If you want to reduce the year, you can, or else we can save. Why it is showing? Because we have given 23 to 28. Let's make it 24 to. If we are clear that these are the holidays falling every year, then we can create at one go for 10 years, 20 years holiday calendar. No need to create again and again. If every year it is going to be changed, then calendar you can create, but the public holiday you can delete and add what are the new holidays you are going to create for next year. HS was created. Now it is created. Factory calendar is nothing but whatever calendar you have created. If you want to create, then you have to click on and select your calendar here. HH we have created. HH is there. Okay. Let's check here. Display our calendar.